Did you know bamboo can grow up to 3 feet or 1 meter in 24 hours? Ang bilis nun! Pero bago mangyari yon, years muna siyang nagde-develop ng roots underground. Ganon din minsan ang buhay mo. You work, you improve, you show up, pero parang walang visible progress. Mabagal, nakakainip. Maybe you are in the root season, gaya ng bamboo. Akala mo nakastuck ka, pero hindi. You are building depth, skills, discipline, inner strength, yung mga hindi agad nakikita, pero sila yung magdadala sa'yo pataas. So, kung slow ngayon, do not quit. Keep doing the small right things daily. Kahit 1% better today, malaking bagay na yon. Ibig sabihin yan, 365% better ka na in a year. Diba? Tuloy-tuloy ka lang. You are growing more than you think. Ayos?